Today, I am going to tell you the tips for making soft, fluffy and mouth-melting idlis. I am going to give you two important tips. Watch both the tips till the end because both of them are very important in itself. Tip number 1. For every 4 glasses of soaked rice we take for making idli, take 2 heapful teaspoons of soaked methi. Now add the methi first to a mixer jar, add water, grind it well into a nice fluffy paste. Keep this ready. Now after grinding the batter for the idli, mix this methi batter, fluffy methi batter into the rice batter and mix it well with your hands. This will allow the batter to ferment very well and make the idli soft. Tip number 2. For all those who do not like the taste or flavor of the methi seeds, for every 3 glasses of soaked rice we use for idli, we should add 1 cup of soaked sabudana. Take a mixer jar, grind the soaked sabudana well into a smooth paste. Now add this to the ground batter of the rice and urad dal. Mix it well with your hands and then allow it to ferment. This will make a very soft and fluffy idli.